Hey beauty queens, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm installing a wig from Recool Hair. They were kind enough to send over this beautiful curly unit for me to try for you all today. So today's unit is a lace frontal wig, and I am going to get these curls popping today, and I'm utilizing some of this Curl Days product. I'm using their creamy curl styler. I'm putting that all over the hair, saturating it in it, and then I'm going to use my flexi rods. I have really been loving using my flexi rods lately. They are just giving me the curls that I am looking for. Okay, like they are just mwah. I love them. Like, I need to re-up and get some different sizes because, yeah, point blank period, your girls loves using her flexi rods, okay? So I am taking that product, putting it all the way through the hair, and then I'm going to brush out the hair just to make sure there's no tangles or anything in it. And then I'm going to tightly curl the hair, just wrapping it around to the top of the hair, and then I'm going to wrap the end pieces around, making it really tight so that it holds the curls. And the hair is also wet, you guys. I did wet it with water before applying that curling product to it. And I'm going to get every single strand of hair, just making small little sections. I might have used around like maybe 12 to 16 flexi rods throughout the entire wig. So once I get that last one in, then we're going to work on installing it. Actually, the hair had been sitting around for about 2 hours possibly, and I did not do any like pre-drying. It just air dried to whatever stage it was at. I did also tint the lace with some tint spray. I used the Ebon tint spray. And now I'm just working on how I want the unit to be placed. I wasn't sure if I was going to do a middle part or side part situation yet. I just knew I want to get the unit laid and slayed, okay? And also, I did pluck this unit off camera, you guys. So if you do purchase this exact unit, you probably will need to pluck it just a little bit, you know, customize it however you would like it. I am going to go ahead and say, you guys, I wish I would have done the ball cap method, or at least push my cap back some, because you'll see when I get towards the end of installing this unit, you can see my wig cap a little bit. So in that instance, when I saw it, like when I got out of my lighting in front of my camera, I was like, okay, I could definitely pull this cap back from the back of the unit just to make it where it's not visible. But definitely recommend probably doing ball cap method or something to just camouflage that wig cap so it won't be shown or visible throughout your duration of wearing this wig. I'm using some lace layer glue today, and what I use, this one is available on Amazon, and I'll put that in my description bar below. You can find that direct link to this glue. It is a wonderful glue. It is a long-lasting holding glue, and it's actually very easy to use. So I'm just taking layer by layer. I did cut the unit into sections, and then I'm just going to add like one layer of the glue, but it's a pretty generous amount of glue, I would say. And I use my blow dryer to blow dry it down to make sure that once I lay the lace over the glue, it will stay in place and melt into the skin. And I'm going to use my comb to just push the hairs back and make sure everything is falling in the direction that I want it to. So off camera, I'm going to add my satin wrap cap around my lace just to help it blend and lay into the skin more. And while that is drying down, I'm going to take out my flexi rods. And the hair was not completely dry, and you could probably tell that by looking at it, but it will dry towards the end of the video. You'll see what it looks like with this product on it. And the flexi rods added a beautiful curl pattern. The product added a little bit of life to the hair by adding like some shine, as well as just defining the curls a little bit more. I'm just going to take it section by section until I get all of the flexi rods out. So now you see what those curls are looking like. They look super duper juicy. They just look great. So now I'm going to work on cutting the lace off. And as you guys can see, that lace is almost invisible. Like, you can barely see it. But I'm going to take it in like zigzag motion, just cutting off little piece by little piece. So that way the lace will kind of melt a little bit better and you won't be able to see like where the lace begins and ends so well. So once I get that lace cut off, then I'm going to add just a little bit of baby hairs to it. To be honest, once I did the baby hairs, I was like, I could care less for these, but it didn't look bad. But it was just like, y'all, I'm a no baby hair type girl. But I just always be trying to give baby hairs a chance. You know, I just want them to grow on me for some reason. I want them to, but they do not. Sometimes certain wigs, I feel like doing the little edges, not so much baby hair, but like creating some type of edge is necessary, you know, just to make the wig look more realistic. But in this case, I feel like I could have wore this wig without baby hairs. And y'all see what I'm talking about, that wig cap peeking through. Ugh, if I wouldn't have had that wig cap, man, that would have been a 10 out of 10 slay. But, you know, you live and you learn. I definitely see, like, you know, definitely don't do that again with that wig cap. But this wig style came out very pretty. The curls came out really gorgeous. This is really good quality hair also. I like how the curls just kind of bounce back and they look very juicy and voluptuous. No shedding, tangling. The wig cap is very nicely sized. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below. I'll have a direct link there for you all to try out this wig. And yeah, I'm loving it. It was a vibe. I've worn this unit plenty of times since then. So definitely check out this unit, guys, if you're interested. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.